Namaste everyone and welcome back to Little Things Matter. So this time it's soft, no bake Oreo cheesecake made with few ingredients. It's silky smooth and a perfect no bake dessert for summer. So let's get started. So here I'm using this Oreo cookies, about 3 packets of 120 gram each. Now let's grind them to a coarse powder like this. From this I'm going to take out 2 tablespoons of crust in a separate bowl, which we are going to use it later. To the remaining mixture I'm going to add this 100 grams of melted butter and give it a good mix till they both combine well. Here butter acts as a gluing agent which will help the crust to slice up easily. So mix it nicely. Now that our crust is ready, we are going to evenly distribute it in a greased pan. You can also use spring foam pan if you have, which are specially meant for baking or making such cakes. If you don't have, you can simply use a flat based bowl like this. So this is done and now I'm going to keep this in a fridge. Now let's move on to our next step, that is whipping the cream. Here I have taken 400 ml of whipping cream and whip it with the help of this hand mixer till we get soft peaks, and do remember not to overdo it or else the cream will not hold its texture. This takes little time, but don't give up, and when you see the peaks forming, stop the mixer and keep it aside. Now moving on to our third step, I have taken 400 grams of cream cheese from Cheesecraft. You can go for any other brands of your choice. Always remember to keep cream cheese out of the fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours before you plan to make this cake. This ensures it will whip up smoothly with no lumps. And to this I am going to add 100 grams of icing sugar or powdered sugar. Both are same with different names, and whip it nicely till they both combine well and form to a smooth mixture. After this I am going to take 1.5 tablespoon of powdered gelatin, and to this I am going to add 4 to 5 tablespoon of hot boiling water. Give it a good stir till you see the gelatin is completely dissolved, and add this to our whipped cream cheese mixture. Again give it a good mix. Then goes in the whipping cream that was set aside, and combine everything uniformly by mixing it nicely. Finally goes in the Oreo crust, else you can also add roughly chopped Oreo chunks or a tablespoon of cocoa powder to give that extra chocolatey flavor. Completely your choice. Mix and combine everything to a smooth mixture. And now take out the bowl of Oreo crust and start layering with the cream mixture with the help of spoon or spatula. Instead of putting in cream all together, try adding it in batches and then spread it evenly. Friends, the gelatin we have added in works as a setting agent which gives our cake a good hold, and now that you are done with spreading the cream, the bowl goes into the fridge for setting overnight. Next day morning you will find that the cake is set and firm to cut. You can now cut the cake in individual serving portions. Now comes my favorite part, where I give a finishing touch to each helping with a single Oreo biscuit in the center. Enjoy! So friends, do give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.